All right, welcome back. We are off to the sauna.
Yay!
Yeah, fire should go right on the back. She's all locked up.
So, we have a little book of memories here, and it just...
The book of memories.
it tells you little stuff, so we brought it with us because it talks about our sauna experience. So we're going to go over that as we're on our way up there. Walking and reading. So we start with restoration. Hot saunas, followed by cold water dips, have been a tradition in Scandinavia for thousands of years. Proven health benefits include muscle recovery, building immune system, increased metabolism, glowing skin, and deep sleep. Ooh, deep sleep, I like that.
Deep sleep.
All right, so...
Are we going this way?
yeah, let's go this way over to the sauna. And it even tells us the best way to enjoy our experience. Some little tips. So, number 1, take a warm shower before your session to open your pores and wash away excess oils and stimulate blood flow. Next, drink at least a glass of water before stepping inside and bring a water bottle with you. We do have our water bottle. Start with a 10 to 15 minute inside the sauna, then step out to take a cold plunge or simply catch your breath and cool down. Drink some water and repeat. And last of all, use the spray bottle in the sauna to spritz essential oils on the rocks and create steam. Sounds very lovely.
All right.
So we'll go and check it out.
And there it is right there.
And it takes about 20 minutes for the sauna to heat up. So we're gonna get that started and fill up the cold plunge pool while we're waiting.
Cold plunge. Yeah.
And we'll see how that goes. There's a nice little change room over here so we can put everything inside while we're prepping.
What do we got over here?
And this tells us how to prep our cold plunge pool.
Cold plunge.
Let's start filling that first.
Yeah.
So, before filling, unhook the silver chain from the side of the cold
I
plunge.
need 2 hands with this.
Cover the drain inside the pool using the stopper.
I'll put this on that side. Grab you guys. Put you guys back on this one. There we go. That works.
Alright.
Cold plunge.
Unhook the silver chain from the side of the plunge and cover the drain in the pool using the stopper.
Stopper. It's hooked here. There we go.
Woohoo!
There we go.
Next, place the end of the hose in the cold plunge. Keep the lid on so the hose doesn't slip out while filling.
Keep the lid on. Hose in. Oh, it's a flowing. Oh, guess we gotta turn it on first. There we go. Just put it in here. Lock it. There we go. We locked it right in there. It's not gonna come out now. There we go. Just turn it up a bit more. There you go. Full blast. Oh yeah, it's definitely gonna take a bit to fill up. How long?
About 20 minutes.
About 40 minutes. Holy jeez, 40 minutes.
It's kind of perfect because the sauna takes 20 minutes to heat up. So that will be half full when the sauna's ready to get in. We can do a 20-minute sauna and then go in the cold plunge.
Okay, sounds good.
Works out great.
Okay.
All right, so we've got everything ready. We're gonna start the sauna up and get it nice and warm for ourselves. We're not gonna go over 75 because that's causing a little bit of an issue. So it does say press start. We've got start. It shows numbers, that's what we want. Okay, set the duration of your sauna session using the arrows. 60 minutes, sure, that works.
Give her.
And temperature at 72. Wait 20 minutes for it to...
Get her going?
The light beside run is supposed to be flashing. It's heating up right now. It's going to get up to 72 degrees.
Right on.
So now we just wait and
What's this for?
then we get to go in.
Poker stick. Poke, poke, poke. Not sure what that's for. The outlet's down here. You want to go get changed then? While we're waiting?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's see it.
And that's where the camera's got to go off.
Let's see the outfit she's got on now. And let's see the outfit when you get out. Right.
Maybe.
Let's go get changed. Whoa. Oh, it smells so good in here. I love the smell of that wood.
Alright, camera's off.
Camera's off. What? Oh, sorry.
That smells amazing. Too bad we don't have smell-o-vision. Wow, that's warm.
Alright. Guess it's my turn to get changed. You guys are coming with me. Oh, my squeaky flip-flops. Alright. That was quick. Going to bring this with me. Are you getting out already?
You gotta turn it down just a little bit. Oh, it's like it's off or something.
Oh, yeah, it sure does. Oh, maybe it's fully done. You can't turn it back on until
It'll
it
just
cools down a
stay
bit.
the way it is and just slowly cool down, I guess.
Yeah, maybe.
All right, back in we go.
Oh, wow. That is warm. Woo! Look at those rocks in there. Oh, it's cool. Can't see my reflection in the window. Even better. Wow, it is warm in there, huh? Yeah, it's toasty in there for sure. Ooh. Yeah. Is that good? Oh yeah, smell that. That smells good. It smells good. you guys right in the middle. Wow, it's warm in here.
10 to 15 minutes at a time? Yeah, right. I don't even think I can go for that
Yeah,
long.
it's warm in here. Actually, I'm gonna turn the camera off and put it outside. It's probably too hot in here. Alright. You guys stay right here. Put you right outside the door. I'll be back. Alright. Huh?
I'm scared.
Why?
It's gonna be really cold.
I know. Hurry up. You gotta do it now.
Okay, there's no step.
Oh yeah. Okay, let's do this trick. That should be okay. Just step in the middle of here.
You go first. I'm not putting my head under.
No, you don't have to put your head on it. Just dunk your body real quick. Real quick, in and out, and jump right back on the sauna.
No.
Sit down quick.
Holy
Sit
crap.
down quick. There you go.
Oh, that is freaking cold. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh, geez.
You get in there.
Alright, guess it's my turn. Alright, my turn. Flip flops off. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Ah, holy fuck! Wow!
Told you it was cold.
Holy! Oh, I can't even breathe. Whew.
All right, I'm warm, so I'm gonna let you warm up. Bye.
Oh, geez. All right, that's the sauna and the cold dip plunge. Woohoo! See you guys on the next one. Peace.